Are you ready for the fall cooking season? I know you have some really good recipes that you want to try. Let me show you the best products that you can use for those. This is Princess House. Our company has been in business since 1963, bringing you wonderful products that not only help you save time and money in your kitchen, but allow you to enjoy cooking again because they're beautiful. And we believe pretty can be practical. Princess House is a direct selling company. We sell mainly through online or one-on-one, and you have the opportunity to join this company and do the same. So let me show you what you can get. When you join a company like Princess House, the first thing you do is to get a starter kit so that you have items that you can show to other people and use yourself. The first item in our starter kit is our 10-inch nonstick skillet. It's always been a bestseller. You'll really enjoy using this item. It doesn't have any of the dangerous chemical qualities, and it has a lifetime warranty. Of course, when you're using nonstick, you never want to use metal. So we have these beautiful silicone tools. This one has the stainless steel base and the silicone head, and it can work on all of your pans. When you're prepping your food, your knives and your cutting boards are really important. This is our bamboo cutting board. It's very special because it has the silicone right down the side so it doesn't slip on your counter. And you'll see that it has a well on the outside so it gathers all of your juices. You should always use wood for cutting boards because it allows the knife to have play. Using glass or ceramic or even your counter will actually damage your knives. Our knives are German inspired. These are actually called the Culinario series. This is a 5-inch Santoku knife. You'll see all those little divots in there, and they help when you have thick or sticky items. They have a little weight to them, but you want that weight. It actually helps you cut, but they're perfectly balanced for your hand. You'll see that they're what we call full tang, one continuous piece of steel. They'll never snap in half for you, and these are also covered by our lifetime warranty. Our Vitasana cookware is the most popular series that we have. Because of this special little Vitasana spout here, you can actually cook without using any added fats or oils, even your proteins. And when used properly, it holds in 67% of the nutrients. So this is the definition of healthy cooking. This is a 2.5 quart size. Once you use it, you will fall in love with it. One of my favorite kitchen tools is 4-in-1 immersion blender. It doesn't take up a lot of room and it does a lot of jobs for you. The first one is a masher, great for your mashed potatoes. It's super easy to change. You just take off and twist on. This is the blender, great for your smoothies. There's also a whisk for whipped cream, eggs, pancakes, and it does come with the beaker. And then it also has this mini food processor, which is great for chopping up celery, carrots, cucumbers, and also when you go to bake, it's perfect for your nuts. And the last item in our kit is our soup and more container. These are borosilicate glass. They do have the silicone on the edges, and they have a nice little spout here that allows you to cool them before you use them. The starter kit also comes with catalogs, specials, and training to help you. This kit is valued at over $600, but as a consultant, you have an opportunity to get it for just $199. And there's actually 3 different ways to do that. So number 1, you could pay the kit in full. It comes to your house within just a few days. You can start your business right away. It has all the electronic materials, and you can order more samples right away. All of the samples are discounted. Or you can start your business for just a $75 deposit. Your kit will still be shipped to you. You'll get all of the electronic tools, but you will not be able to order samples until your kit is paid in full. And for a very limited time, I am so excited to tell you that you can start your Princess House business for $0 out of pocket. You heard me correct. You can sign up to sell Princess House at absolutely no out-of-pocket cost. You will get all of your digital materials, all the training that comes from me. And once you submit $750 in orders, the kit will then be shipped to you, and the money that you earned on that $750 will be deducted to pay for the kit. So if you've been thinking about doing Princess House for a while, you would literally have no reason not to right now because it costs nothing. Now, once you get started, I'm going to start your training right away. I'm very hands-on and I want to help you where you are with the tools that you have. I can teach you how to do in-home presentations. I can teach you how to do videos online. There's so many different ways to reach people about Princess House. There's so many reasons to choose Princess House as your company. Number 1, we have been in business since 1963. We have 61 years of experience. Companies do not stay in business that long if they're not valued. Our company is very product focused. We come out with new products and we have great customer specials every month. All of our products come with a full money-back warranty, and some of our products, including our stainless steel cookware and our knives, have a lifetime warranty. We stand behind every one of our products. We want our customers to be happy with them, and they stand the test of time. We have a lot of customers that have been our customers for decades, and they're extremely happy with their purchases. We are a commission-based company, so when you submit orders, you will be paid a profit. There is no guarantee that you'll earn any money with Princess House. In fact, some people join just for the personal discounts. Princess House is a good company to join because more people are cooking from home now than ever before. They do it for a couple of different reasons. Number one, to save money. Number two, because they can control what goes into their foods. And when you have high quality products, it makes a huge difference in the outcome of your cooking. All you need to do is buy one Princess House item, because I promise you, when you do, you will fall in love and you'll want it all. Our company consistently ranks in the top 25 in the Direct Selling Association, so you can feel confident that you represent a very well-known and popular company. We have a full website with training, and it doesn't cost you any money at all. We like to give our consultants incentives, and so there's some prizes as a new consultant that you can also take advantage of. All of these current promotions last until October 5th. As a brand new consultant, when you submit your first $750 in orders by October 5th, you will receive two of our very popular items. These are the Marbella bakeware pieces, the 9x13 and the 8x8 square. These are both available in the catalog for sale, so when you earn them, you'll also be able to use them for your business. Don't stop there. Send in another $750 by October 5th for a total of $1,500 in orders, and you will then earn our 13-inch non-stick straining skillet. This is a great piece that you're going to love to cook in, and it's also in our catalog. You may also get some people that are interested in Princess House as well. When some of your friends and family see you doing it, they might want to do it as well. And as a new consultant, when you bring in a new consultant, and they also do their $750, not only will they get their prizes, but you have an extra one for you. This is our tri-ply 10-quart pan that you'll earn as an extra gift. I'd love to give you more information. Just reach right out to me. You can call or text 856-404-7420. If you're ready to start, go ahead and sign up. Go right to my website, www.princesshouse.com/lbradley. You could also email me at thelindabradley@gmail.com. Make sure you check out my other videos to hear more of my story and why I started Princess House. I just celebrated my 40th anniversary, and I wouldn't change a thing. It's an incredible company to work for, and I'm so glad that I found them. I would love to help you get started as well, whether it's for personal discounts, meeting new people, learning new skills, or potentially earning some money. As we approach the fall, this is our busiest selling season. People are getting ready for the holidays, entertaining, and also gift giving, and our products are perfect. Don't wait for $0 down. You never know what this opportunity could mean to you.